Hello peoples, don't forget to subscribe and like and look at all our other channels that we've got. There should be some... bags, kebabs, and in the meantime, that's all cleaning gear. A bit of chicken there. So this has been marinated in a honey soy. This is just something we brought from the supermarket on the way. Right. Nice and fancy. Good. You like it? So just let them go for a bit and then turn them over. Just keep turning them over. Yeah. You got it under control? Okay, I got you. Hey, mate. Crocodile. Good. I've had it marinating all night, so it's going to be very soft and juicy. It doesn't really go that fast for him to fall off that bad, mother. Go get more firewood, how about that? So the salad, just drop this on the salad like so. Alright, you can mix that up a bit. Just turn that over with your hands. And then you can put some tomato on it. And I do your tomatoes like so. Yeah? Like so. Good. Right. Have some crocodile kebabs here. Right. Alright, crack-a-lackin'. I've been marinating these all night in some sauce, and we'll put that on the screen. We'll show you what sauce it was that was marinating it in. I'm pretty sure it was something like a lemon and a honey soy. I'm pretty sure it was lemon and honey soy. But I'll correct that, and I'll make sure you know what it was. It should taste delicious. Let's go to this side of the barbie. So we're out in a national park today. One of Tasmania's nice national parks. And we might take you for a walk, and we'll show you a waterfall, and just having a bit of a picnic with the kids. Kids are roaming around there. Family day. All family day. How do you like those apples? Yeah. Oh, shrimp on the barbie. Crocodile, crocodile. With a smile, with a smile. Right. I might need this tray, so I might wash it off. Oh, I've still got that one, haven't I? There are a few. How's that looking, darling? Pretty good? We might keep that tray just in case, because we need somewhere to put some things. And start turning our crocodile over. Dad, you want to start flicking them for me, Cobber? Okie dokies, tongs rule on that side. Dad, did you turn all these a quarter, Cobber? Forward or? Yep. Okie dokies. Let's keep turning these. They crack-a-lackin'. Pushing the button here on these barbecues. These are free. These barbecue areas are free. As you can see, hold it for 15 seconds. It turns on. We bring a bit of cleaning stuff with us when we come, just to clean the barbecue over, just in case someone comes before us. But we're here pretty early. I mean, look at the place we got. We got a fire on one side. So nice fire that we've made on one side here. Very nice and warm. Kids are just running around playing with motorbikes and their bicycles, having a great time. It's very safe because the cars aren't going to come in here fast at all. The river's over yonder, and the river's over yonder. So as long as we keep an eye on the kids in this area, they're pretty good. They've got a park there to play with. See? One side, the other side, look. See? Nice and cool. Barbecue, barbecue. Crocodile kebabs. Ready to come up. Alright. Look at that. Right. Coming through, peoples. Look at this. Gavin, tell me what these taste like in a second as soon as they cool down, Cover. This is a salt and pepper, is it? Check this out. This is so cute. It's like a little salt and pepper. Crocodile. Right here.
Which one?
This is crocodile. I would like you all to try crocodile. But it just come off the grill. It's going to be boiling hot. Right? Absolutely boiling hot. But Gavin will eat it no matter what. Okay. Was that the mushroom or the crocodile? What do you reckon? Give me your verdict. Hey, good? Is it good? It's good, isn't it? It's good, isn't it? Come on, mate. Eat the crocodile.
Like a chicken.
Come on, get into the crocodile. I'm gonna try crocodile. Now, let me tell you what the crocodile tastes like. I'm gonna have to get to it. No, that's just the onion and the capsicum. My cousin's trying to be funny.
Georgina.
Oh, you've all got to try that. It's absolutely delicious. So crocodile is usually really, it's really chewy. So crocodile is very, very chewy, but we've been marinating this for the last 12 hours, and we marinated it in like a honey soy sauce and a lemon sauce, and it's absolutely beautiful to die for. It's soft. It tastes like somewhere between chicken and a fish. So give it a go, and we'll see you at the waterfalls.